Hey, hey, what we do, Buddy Bear will show you. Fold, fold, nice and neat. Let's all move our hands and feet. Buddy Bear says grab a shirt, lay it flat, it's not hard work. Sleeves go in, 1, 2, 3. Fold it up so neat you see. Fold it, nice and slow. Make a stack and watch it grow. Tidy clothes, hip hip hooray. We can fold them every day. Doggy friends say time for pants. Line them up now, take a chance. Legs together, nice and straight. Fold them up, they look so great. High bid and hay, half in pay. High QA, half be paid. Fold it, nice and slow. Make a stack and watch it grow. Tidy clothes, hip hip hooray. We can fold them every day. Buddy Bear says where's the pair? Find 2 socks now, show you care. Match them up and roll them tight. Little ball, just right. Fold it, nice and slow. Make a stack and watch it grow. Tidy clothes, hip hip hooray. We can fold them every day. Can you fold? Yes, we can. Big or small, we'll fold them all. Shirts, pants, socks. Woo! We know what to do. Fold it, nice and neat. Stack them high from head to feet. Buddy Bear and friends all say folding clothes is fun. Yay! Fold, fold, we did rough part. Tidy hands and happy hearts. Buddy Bear says great job today.